Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add or draw a curved connector to your elements in your diagrams on Draw.io. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to your diagram project on Draw.io and let me, for example, connect that rectangle here with another one. So I copied it, pasted it here. So you have, for example, these connectors here. And you can connect these elements by left clicking into them and by connecting them with the endpoint of the other element. However, guys, as you can see, these connectors are usually or look like this. So what you want to do is customize the line or the connector by clicking into this button and, for example, choose a curved connector. And after that, customize some of these points here along the connector. Or option number 2, guys, to navigate to the general tab here, expand it, and select a curved connector like this, and simply draw it here on your canvas, for example, and use 3 endpoints to connect the given element, like, I don't know, that one here, and so on and so forth. So that's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.